It was at this moment that he knew.
Hi there, it's Tim, and today I received a new scooter from Niu, and this is the KQi3 Sport model. Anyway, let's get started. Alrighty, very fancy styrofoam. One very nice looking user manual. I'm gonna need that. Up top as well, in a nice little packaging. Looks like we've got the charging brick. Oh, really big charger too, very premium. This reminds me of the chargers that you get with e-bikes. And on this side, yeah, really nicely packaged, like really nicely packaged. And inside here, we have extension for the pump and a nice little, feels like there's some screws in here. Probably need those a little bit later on, so I gotta keep those together. Gonna lift out the styrofoam pieces. Nothing else inside, just a little bit more styrofoam. All right, let's put this kickstand down. Just a quick question. Do you guys ever get these absorbent little packages inside your packages? Is there a cool recycling thing I could do with these? Let me know in the comments down below if there is. Alrighty, so here we are. Looks like I'm gonna be able to put this on. Oh, there's a little bit of plastic even around here. They've done a really good job of protecting anything that could potentially get scratched in shipping. That's really nice. And looks like I've got four little bolts to, four little screws to put in the sides here. I'm gonna do that next. Looks like the screws already have blue Loctite on, so I don't need to add that. And handles, again, protected with nice pieces of plastic.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Even the deck is nicely protected by a nice piece of plastic. That's quite satisfying. So we've got a couple of manual brakes, which is nice. A thumb throttle here. Catch here, which would be good for, throwing up groceries, but also it's going to fold up nicely. Folding mechanism here, simple, and just loads right down. Whoop. There we are. Whoop. Oh, that's a safety catch there. Oh, that's really handy. It doesn't just automatically go down. I like that. And then it just clicks into here. How heavy is it? Oh, it's pretty light actually. I would say that's around maybe 35 to 45 pound range, but you know what? I'm gonna cover all that when I do a full review. Just a pro tip that inside the head, I found out, because I tried turning it on, it wouldn't turn on. Pushed up right inside here is one half of the connection, and the other half is down in the stem. So make sure you plug it in, or else you're not gonna be able to charge it up when you get it. So trust me to find that out the hard way. So now I get to put this all back together, slide this in nicely, and tighten the bolts up again. But if I turn it on now, at least now it powers up. That makes me feel happy. I was a bit nervous there. I thought it was a dud.